save.
It's quick, so it won't take long. I'm not used to this little freaking stove though.
Are you afraid about popping yourself?
It's no worse than a tattoo.
Gangster. It smells like popcorn in here. Oh.
Yo, my food be popping, son.
What?
My food be popping, son.
Pop, pop.
Popping like it's hot. As I said, do like 30, 60 seconds.
Oh,
videos.
go ahead.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one at a time. It's just taking up too much space.
Yeah, do your thing.
See that little the fire roast?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
I'm sitting right here. It's popping, but the bottom's popping, not the top. Yes, it's. That's how you do it all day at home. You can take it off of here, hit it with the mayo, parmesan, lime, all that, some pepper, and you homemade it all day.
I feel uncomfortable in this room.
You don't know how to handle the pop.
It's not hitting you?
Yeah, I said it only hurts a little.
Ah.
It's a sacrifice for the art. You know? Sorry.
Roasted corn, apartment style.
We don't need no stinking barbecue.
Happy Memorial Day.
Wepa!
Start of summer.
This is Polish popcorn right here.
This is what coronavirus has done to us. This is how we're celebrating Memorial Day weekend. With an indoor
You know what? All my Mexican
dinner.
people are there.
Oh, I saw the flames.
I see fire and I see you. Ah! Pop it.
Oh,
Roasted pepper next.
wow.
Pepper. Get the peppers. Now what I'm going to do is let it, since it's hot, I don't really want to waste time cooking this. We want to keep it a little fresh and moist in the middle. And just let it steam in itself a little. Ooh, cook it without using the stove. Wrap this corn up. Don't record me singing.
You want another piece of,
It's hot. That's good. Hang out here for a little bit. We'll get to that later.
and we're roasting the red peppers.
See, we're doing the cooking at the beginning of the meal here, so at the end, it's just throw the fish in the oven, bada bing, bada boom, and we're done. Hey, you want to video something?
What was that? Ah.
This is the Voldemort recipe. It shall not be named. Y'all gotta figure it out. I don't write this recipe, I don't share this recipe. But if you can catch it, if the heat is hot, we don't waste nothing. Ooh, child. Check this trick out. Ready? Check this out right here. Ready? Ready? Roll.
Yeah, what am I watching?
Roll it. Push out the pulp. Push out the pulp. Make it juicy. It's nice and easy. You can see it's all broken up. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Cut it in half. We don't want to make more dishes, right? Check this bad boy, all right? Well, flip it. Clean it. That's your strainer.
Ah.
What? Last dishes. Look at all those seeds, man.
Smart.
They don't just pay me for my good looks. Oh, we got our garbage can.
It's a very cool trick.
Yeah. 2 for 1. It's a 2 for, oh, we got one. We got a runner. 2 runners. Alright, that was it. How do you feel? Want to beat on that gently with me? You definitely? Like my containers, so while you're recording. We got the liquid mix. I hope you're paying attention to what went in the bowl. This is not spoken aloud. This is the secret liquid mix. I know Mr. Wayne Rosenbaum will go nuts for this one. 1 pound of picked blue crab claw meat. Picked meaning no shell. Let's hope. A package of Ritz crackers. This me being a cannibal. Get it? Put my crackers. I'm gonna put my secret little thing here. And if it's a little wet, we'll add some more crackers. Some more of my people. The peppers. Got the peppers. Got the corn resting, steaming. Look at that pepper. Completely charged. Oops, shut the wrong flame. It's alright. I like the front bed, it's higher. What we're gonna do here is we need this to steam. I'm gonna throw it in here, or a bowl would work, and we're gonna wrap it when the other one comes off in tin foil and let it steam for about 10 minutes. Now back to Mr. Crab. Hi, Mr. Crab. I'm just gonna fold this together with a glove on. Practice safe crab. Thank you, baby, for laughing. I know it's stupid. Now this could also be a crab cake mix. You can form into little balls, which we'll probably do with the leftover if there is. Just bring it together. There's no need for salt because the saltines add a good amount of salt. See how she bound up? She's firm, moist. The egg and the mayonnaise and the breadcrumbs will kind of bind up on cooking, but we don't want this too bready or too dry. All right, always taste. And always in the end, black pepper, fresh ground. Because pepper is a berry, believe it or not. Needs to be treated with love. A little respect at the end for the pepper. Just gonna give that a quick mix. So no salt needed. Hope you're paying attention. We got blue crab stuffing for our flounder. Ooh. Little two. A nice portions. 2 nights worth of dinner here. Now we don't want to go into the crab because we got raw fish on our hands, right?
Right.
In case we don't want to. I mean, it's still got raw eggs, so it's still got to be cooked. But I want to watch out cross contamination. Look at that full. Look at that. I should be a chef when I grow up. You know what? She feels a little skinny. She got to be thick. No skinny flounder. Ooh, child. You're pretty. Taking me back to the old days. Switch. You don't need to keep recording. Finish this fish up. I had a lemon, just a little fresh lemon zest on the fish, just a little. overpower. Put that around there. I'm gonna waste just a little lemon zest. Okay. Some Italian breadcrumbs. I know she'll hula dry. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that. That's what I do. All right. So we don't forget, I'm gonna put a little wine in the bottom.
Any particular wine?
Whatever you like. I'm with the white wine. Ooh, that's really good. All right. We got the lemon here. So we're gonna use a little bit of that juice too.
Oh, you had a missed call.
A little lemon juice in the bottom. We're not too tart. I'm gonna save that for the end. Pour on the fish. All right, breadcrumbs are looking a little dry. I'm gonna get a little zhuzh of olive oil. Like that word, the little zhuzh. All right, we're not done. And anyone who knows me knows no butter, no better. A little butter down there with the wine. Just a little. Don't tell. Alright. Oh, there she fell off. A little extra. Alright, so that's the healthy part, and I'm going to bake that. 425 degrees. For about 12-15 minutes. Just make sure that crab is cooked and warm.